Hey everyone! So glad you could tune in today, because we have some intriguing news in the world of technology and business that's bound to catch your interest. Major AI deals with Samsung unveiled. Now, if you're like me and fascinated by how big tech companies collaborate and impact our daily devices, you won't want to miss this. Let's get right into it. Imagine this. Google is pouring millions of dollars every month into a deal with Samsung, specifically for the pre-installation of the Gemini AI app on Galaxy smartphones. Yes, you heard me right, millions! This deal has been brought to light during an ongoing antitrust procedure between the tech giant and the U.S. Justice Ministry. Who would have thought that courtrooms could reveal such high-stakes secrets? So, let's unpack what this could mean for consumers like you and me. For the tech-savvy audience out there, pre-installation of applications is quite pivotal. It means every new Galaxy smartphone you pick up will consistently come preloaded with Google's Gemini app. How convenient is that? But of course, this doesn't come cheap. The payments Google is making, although undisclosed in exact figures, have been described in court as an enormous sum. Can you imagine the vast amounts of cash flowing between these corporate giants? Now, you may be wondering, why Gemini? Google's vice president, Peter Fitzgerald, confirmed that this contract will run for at least 2 years. Think about it. A stable, long-term agreement that positions Google's Gemini app at the forefront of smartphone technology. This undoubtedly boosts the app's credibility and market relevance, leading to more users and eventually greater revenue from advertisements. It's all connected in this fascinating web of modern business! Let's pause for a moment. How does everyone feel about apps being pre-installed? Are you a fan of having tools ready to go, or do you prefer to set up your phone on your own terms? Feel free to drop your thoughts in the comments. While we're on the topic of revenue, let's talk about the financial flow from this deal. Google is not only paying fixed monthly fees for every device with the Gemini app pre-installed, but they are also slashing a percentage of the advertising revenue generated through the app. This is clever because it ensures that as the app becomes more popular, Google benefits even more. And for Samsung, they secure a robust partnership with a leading tech player, which is always good for their brand and market position. Now, let's consider the implications of this deal. The competition in the tech ecosystem is fierce. By having Gemini not just present but ingrained in millions of devices, Google fortifies its position against competitors in the AI-driven app market. This could mean that Samsung users will have optimized experiences, perhaps even tailored features that make use of the app's full capabilities right out of the box. Sounds like a win-win to me, but I'm curious to hear your thoughts. As we move forward, let's keep an eye on how this affects user experience and market dynamics. Will we see a shift in which apps dominate our daily usage? How might competitors respond? These are questions I hope we explore in the future. Oh, and before you go off pondering these exciting technologies, I'd love for you to subscribe to our channel if you haven't already. We constantly break down amazing tech news and bring insights that keep you ahead of the curve. Don't miss out on what's coming next. In conclusion, Google's massive investment for pre-installing the Gemini AI app on Samsung devices is more than just a financial deal. It's a fundamental shift in how we interact with our smartphones. As consumers, we should be excited yet critical of these movements because they shape the technology landscape around us. Keep your eyes peeled for more updates as this story unfolds. Until next time, stay curious and engaged with the amazing world of technology.